Hi, my name is Carol Shields. I'm here at the Sheraton Society Hill in Philadelphia at the 70th Annual Wills Eye Conference. We just finished the oncology session and really had some great discussions. In my presentation, I spoke about conjunctival papillomatosis and the relationship to human papillomavirus, and how we treat this with injection and topical interferon, as well as cimetidine, particularly if it's recurrent. We also spoke about the human papilloma vaccine that young children, both boys and girls, are getting, and how this might impact papilloma-related malignancies. In fact, in France, it's already reduced genitourinary cancer by 90%. We anticipate it's going to reduce the rate or the prevalence of conjunctival papillomas in the future. Thanks for tuning in to Wills Eye Conference, and see you next year.